Hey, welcome to Willis Talk, and today we are covering Gallagher's Fitness Resources, located at 135 Commercial Street, Salem, Oregon. Running and walking shoes, apparel, and gear. The hours are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All them's 10 to 6, Saturdays 10 to 5, and Sundays is closed. They accept American Express, Visa, Discover, and looks like they got Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi. Let's take a look at what they have in here.
Hello.
Hi. It's nice and spacey. Got lots of gear, exercise and other. Socks, a whole mess of shoes. Just showing people of Salem what they can buy. And visitors too to Salem. If you're needing any kind of sports gear for running, walking, jogging, biking, there is a ton of it here. They even have things for your water, so you don't have to just drink plain old water. Yeah. Inserts. Everybody needs inserts, trust me on that. If you don't think you need inserts, you must be young right now. If you like anything that you see, it's nice and spacey, roomy, so you can also get plenty of disability access if you have wheelchairs, even on the most narrow aisle, as you can see. Well, remember, like and subscribe, and if you see anything here, drop in, give them some business, and leave a comment in the box below to anything else that you might want to see in Salem. This is Willis Talk, out.